Hi there, this is a quick video where I'm going to show you how to turn on some phones, so not all of them, just some, when the power button is not working anymore. So this isn't doing anything on this phone, it's completely broken, I need to replace it. But in case I need to turn this phone on, again, this will only work on some phones, I need to do the following. Take one charger and obviously insert it in the charging port. And most modern phones will actually turn on when you insert this. Not all of them. There are a few models out there that do not turn on when you insert the power cable in, but most of them do turn on, as this one is turning on, as you can see. And now I can insert the pin and the phone will be on. So let me do that off video. So I inserted the pin and now I'm just going to give it an OK. And now it's asking for the password to unlock the phone itself. I'm also going to do that off video. And the phone is started without a working power button. Again, this will not work for all phones, but for most of them this will work. And if you want to shut it off, I will link another video in the description. You just need to install a tiny little app and that will control the power, so you can still use your phone. And that's about it. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.